In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dashlane to generate a secure password. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the need to create strong, unique passwords for different accounts, don't worry. This guide will simplify the process for you. Dashlane is a powerful tool that can help you generate random passwords and ensure your online safety with ease. Before we start, make sure you have the Dashlane extension installed on your web browser and that you're logged into your account. This is the foundational step to take advantage of all the features Dashlane offers. If you haven't installed it yet, you can do so by visiting Dashlane's website and following their straightforward installation process. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the password generator. You can find this feature in the Dashlane interface. Simply click on the generator, and you'll instantly be on your way to creating a strong password. This intuitive tool is designed to take the guesswork out of creating a secure password by providing you with random, robust suggestions. After navigating to the generator, you'll see some randomly generated password suggestions right away. This feature is convenient because it uses complex algorithms to create passwords that are extremely hard to crack, enhancing your online security. However, if the first suggestion doesn't quite meet your needs, there's no need to fret. You can simply click on the refresh button to receive a fresh set of password options. And if you find one that fits, you can easily copy it to your clipboard by clicking on the copy button. Now, you have the flexibility to choose whether you want a password or a passphrase. Passphrases are generally longer and easier to remember, yet still provide excellent security. This customization option allows you to decide what kind of security measure best fits your needs. Security isn't just about complexity, it's also about suitability. Drag the slider from left to right to adjust the length of your password or passphrase. Depending on your requirements, you can increase or decrease the number of characters to achieve the perfect balance between strength and convenience. In addition, Dashlane allows you to select specific elements within your password. You can decide if you want to include letters, digits, or symbols. This choice enables you to tailor your password exactly to the requirements of the website or service you're signing up for. Once you're happy with your selections and want to use similar settings in the future, you can hit the Save as Default option, so generating similar passwords later becomes a seamless experience. And there you have it. Dashlane makes generating secure passwords a breeze, providing flexibility and control. With solid passwords protecting your accounts, you can navigate the online world with greater peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tech tips.